it's Cassandra, also known as Natural Fit Mom here. I'm driving into work and I thought I'd just share another anecdote with you guys because I was at the gym last night and waiting in line for the bathroom. I met a lady with her daughter. She turned to me and said, "Oh my gosh, you've got such a beautiful physique. I love your arms. I'm so jealous of you." And I shook my head and I said, "No, don't be jealous. Don't use that word, at least, because this is my second workout of the day." I definitely put in the work. I appreciate that. I received that, but I'm definitely putting in work. But thank you. And then I went on to ask her, about how long she's been training, if she's consistent, and a few other things, words of advice. And I mean, barely a breath. She barely expelled a breath before she said, "Oh no, I just don't have time for all of that." And I let that be. I went on to tell her that I'm a single mother of two, and then I've got this talk show coming up that will hopefully help her with some of these challenges. So lady from the bathroom, I hope you're watching. I gave her all this information. Point of all of this though being that I was kind of caught off guard. I was taken aback by the immediate response of, "Oh, I don't have time." Not to mention, this is what she's telling me as a stranger, right? Imagine all the things and the excuses and the explanations that she's telling herself, in her head as to why she can't do something. And I think that we're quick to do that. We're so quick to find reasons why we can't do something, as opposed to just wanting to do something and being okay with just figuring it out. Our thought process, our mentality being, "I don't know, but I'll figure it out because I want this, I need this." And I find myself practicing that a lot. It's the only way I really know how to be, because I certainly don't have all the answers, but I know that I've got an end goal that I want to achieve. I loved yoga, but I had no idea how in contest prep with lifting and cardio and kids and work, how in the hell was I going to find another hour in the day to practice yoga every day? Had no idea, but I was willing to figure it out. This talk show is supposed to launch in September. Have no idea how I'm going to get some of this stuff done by then, but I'm going to figure it out. Going back to school to get my master's degree as a married mother working, had no idea, but was willing to figure it out. Being a single mom, well, yeah, I was going to work that out. So, there's just, at the end of the day, if there's a goal that you want to achieve, you have to be willing to just figure it out. And I challenge you to do that. I challenge you to join me, actually. So this talk show's got to launch by September, right? I have no idea, but I'm going to figure it out. So you'll see the proof is in the pudding. It'll either be there or it won't, right? So join me on this. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, whether big things, small things, things you need, things that you just want, but don't know how you're going to go about doing it. It's okay. It's okay. Just stay open, right? Have no idea how we're going to do this, but we're going to figure it out. Have a great Flex Friday.